नमस्ते। खुश रहो हमेशा बच्चों। Myself Jayden Ritik Mawat, Faculty of Education Methodology, Department Science and Technology students. Today I am going to start the topic of the B.Ed course, knowledge. The meaning of knowledge, concept of knowledge. Knowledge stands for facts, information and skills acquired by a person through experience or education, theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. It is also awareness or familiarity gained by experience of a fact or situation. Now, according to the philosopher like Plato, define knowledge as justified true belief. Knowledge is accumulation of facts and information. Wisdom is a synthesis of knowledge and experience into insights. Wisdom depends one's relationship and meaning of life. Education is a means of discovering new things which we do not know, and hence it increases our knowledge. So knowledge is a meaningful structure of facts into some relationship. We can define knowledge as the fact of knowing information or what is already known, the whole of what can be learned or found out. Term knowledge, information, and wisdom are interrelated to each other. We can further define knowledge as assured belief, information, alignment, practical skill, and acquaintance. As used by teachers and educators, the term concept of knowledge refers to the information that teacher teach and students are expected to learn in given subject or content area. Knowledge is related to the fact, concepts, theories, and principles that are taught. It is not related to the skills such as reading, writing, or researching that students learn in academic courses. Importance of knowledge. Here are some points to describe the importance of knowledge. Like, knowledge is a powerful and important part of life. A famous Sanskrit verse says, like, an educated person is honored everywhere. So knowledge has occupied man with limitless power. With knowledge, man can dominate over beings who are much stronger than him in strength. Knowledge has helped humans and promoted the progress of our civilization. Knowledge accounts for the success of the people. The more knowledgeable you are, the more advantage you have over other people. So, power of knowledge. The power of knowledge should not be used of a destructive purpose. Now here are some characteristics of knowledge. Like, knowledge is like wealth, the more he gets, the more he craves. Knowledge never decays. Knowledge once gained casts a light beyond its own immediate boundaries. Information is the source of knowledge. The word knowledge implies three things: truth, proof, convictum. Facts and values are the basis of the structure of knowledge. Knowledge is boundless, it exists to be imparted. Now, here are some types of knowledge. In order to build skills, it is important that we know about different types of knowledge that exist in education. Knowledge is an awareness of familiarity gained by experience or fact or situation. It can be theoretical or practical understanding of subject. All our knowledge is founded on and is ultimately derived from experience. There are so much debate and disagreement over the exact list of different types of knowledge. So no such list has ever existed. This is because the concept of knowledge is purely philosophical and everyone has a different opinion about what it is or what it is not. Different types of knowledge based on experience and lack of it are: first, a priori knowledge. It literally meaning of a priori is from before or from earlier. Means a priori is the knowledge that is attained independently or of experience. It means there are certain assumptions that one can take of granted. This knowledge is not non-empirical. The type of knowledge comes from theoretical reasoning rather than actual observation of personal experience. In practical, a priori describes knowledge that exists without reference to any actual proof or reality. Definition of a priori knowledge: existing in the mind, independent or observation experience, relating to what may be known through or an understanding of how certain things work rather than by observing experience. Examples: the propositions that all bachelors are unmarried is a priori. Non-propositions can be truly true and false at the same time. The shortest distance the shortest distance between 2 points on the inclined plane is a straight line. Now, a posteriori knowledge. Posteriori literally means from what comes later or from what comes after. It is a knowledge which is gained through experience. If the posterior knowledge depends on experimental evidence or warrant, this knowledge is empirical, arrived at afterward. Truth of physics, chemistry, and biology are instances of a posterior knowledge. Posterior judgment adds to the knowledge, but the knowledge yield can sometimes be uncertain or problematic. This kind of knowledge is gained by the first having experience and then using logic or and reflection to derive understanding from it. It is believed a priori knowledge is more reliable than a posterior knowledge. In philosophy terms, posterior is sometimes used interchangeable with empirical knowledge based on observation. So students, I think you have understood about the concept knowledge. Thank you.